Hi, I'm Roy Van Houten, Director of Energy at Wetland Studies and Solutions, and a member of the Davey Utility Solution team. Each year, Davey traverses hundreds of thousands of miles of right-of-ways throughout the United States and Canada. Safety, reliability, and environmental compliance are always a top priority of our energy partners. Wetland Studies and Solutions, a Davey company, routinely provides integrated, turnkey solutions that help improve efficiencies, ensure safety and environmental compliance, and are also in line with our right-of-way manager partners. Today we'll be talking about a representative project that we're currently working on for Baltimore Gas and Electric. This project began when a BGE right-of-way manager wanted to take a proactive approach to inventory the accessibility of their right-of-ways. Because of the long-standing relationships with Davey, BGE reached out and asked if we would like to perform a comprehensive study of the current status of the culverts along their transmission right-of-ways. This information would then be used by project engineers to assess which culverts should be replaced on the next maintenance cycle. The work began with our GIS team. By utilizing remote sensing tools in conjunction with LiDAR and current aerial imagery, we were able to digitize access roads and identify all probable culvert locations and label them with a GPS point along all of the BGE transmission right-of-ways. We then had a team of environmental scientists go out and physically inspect and assess all of the culverts on the roughly 500 miles of transmission right-of-way. Our licensed survey team also got to work performing topographic surveys at some of the culverts that needed the most urgent repair. As information continued to stream back into the office, our team of scientists, regulatory staff, and engineers worked with BGE to help map out the steps that would need to be taken to replace the culverts. Understanding the nuances of the local regulations was an important component of this project. In addition, state-mandated in-stream time of work restrictions had to be factored into the timing of the actual culvert replacement work. Upon completion of the engineering plan and regulatory permit approval, we then geared up for construction.
Our veteran team of environmental restoration experts installed stream pump-arounds, which allowed crews to work in dry conditions while minimizing environmental disturbance in these sensitive areas. The old, degraded culverts were replaced with new, countersunk HDPE pipes. Lastly, they backfilled the pipes and stabilized the road banks and any other denuded areas. The phases of our construction plan were completed in a manner that was in compliance with local regulations and requirements.
We at Davey are committed to providing turnkey, cost-effective solutions that help our energy partners ensure their right-of-ways remain in compliance with environmental regulations.
Our Davey Utility Solutions approach allows us to provide clients across North America with solutions on a regional level.